Hi everyone, I'm Chris Young. Behind the camera we have Dave Leneff and we're with Enritsu. And today we're going to review our construction of our IP30 versus our IP66 system. This system right here is an IP30 or non-washdown checkware. However, a lot of the construction details are going to be shared with the checkware, the metal detector, and the combo. So we're going to start out in the cabinet. So come with me and we'll look inside. All right, so again, this is the IP30 non-washdown. And what you see is we have a rolled flange, but we don't have any secondary gasketing, we don't have any secondary flange. So it's just a straight flange, no mating gasket, because again, this is really just designed to be IP30, which is dust tight, not watertight. One nice feature on all of our units is we have this wiring diagram. And the nice thing about our checkware platform that we're looking at today, or our metal detectors, they're all built the same. So all of our checkwares use the same hardware and have the same wiring diagram inside because they're all built identically. So now let's look at the conveyor a little bit. So all the conveyors are held on with two clasps. So to pull the conveyor off is very, very easy. We just release the clasps. And then on this particular one, since again, this is non-washdown, we have a little guard here just to protect for the drive belt. So that's just a finger guard. Now with that released, I can lift up the conveyor, pull it off, and we're going to take it over to the table and look at it in a little further detail. So what we see on the side here is we have adjustment or tracking screws. So basically what you want to do is release those, so we pull the roller back and that relieves the tension on the belt. And now with that done, I can just simply slide the belt right off, and that'll give me full access to the decking, the belting itself, and of course the rollers will come right out. So then I can just lift these rollers out, which is great. So if you ever need to do any maintenance on the systems or you want to do some in-depth cleaning, very easy to pull this off without tools. Now the other thing that we want to notice real fast is just the construction of the table. So it has fixed rollers, it's a boxed deck, and it's also very light. I can just lift this up with a couple fingers, and that lightness and rigidity will come into play when it comes to accuracy. So give me a second to put this back together again. All right, so I put the drive belt back on, and now essentially you just want to lower the table into the frame, put the two clasps back on, and then you have the door come up, screw the thumb screw in, and you're back in business. So it's very easy to pull the parts off, clean, so forth, and as you saw inside there, it's also very open. So as far as kind of air drying or blowing it off, light wash down by hand, not with hoses, very easy to use and maintain. Now the other part of why an IP30 checkware might be for you is because, well, it is, as we mentioned, a little bit more accurate. So by having the lighter and more rigid tables, your accuracy level is actually very, very good. And as well, you save some money. So we don't have to make the tables very heavy or complex, and it's a little less money. So the IP30 is a great solution for non-washdown applications where you value lower cost and very good accuracy. To learn more, please visit us online, and also we do have these on our demo vans. Look forward to showing you our technology. Thank you.